The Galaxy Watch 6 and the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic look set to be Samsung's best smartwatches to date. If you're in the market for a new Wear OS watch, Samsung's Galaxy Watch lineup should rank at the top of your list. The company's wearables pack all the health features and specs you can think of, making them ideal for almost all users. With the Galaxy Watch 6 series, Samsung has again raised the bar that other Android wearables will have to match. So what makes the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 so special? What are its top features? In this video, I'll cover top features of the latest Galaxy Watch 6 series. First of all, slimmer bezels and bigger displays. At first glance, the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 and its classic sibling might look similar to the Korean giant's previous Wear OS watches. But there is one major design upgrade: slimmer bezels. This in turn has allowed the company to increase the display size to deliver a more immersive experience. Samsung claims the Galaxy Watch 6 has a 30% slimmer bezel, while the Watch 6 Classic's rotating bezel is 15% slimmer. As for the display size, the Watch 6 40mm version ships with a 1.3 inches AMOLED panel, while the 44mm variant has a 1.5 inches display, a bump of 20% from the Watch 5 series. The Watch 6 Classic is available in 43mm and 47mm configurations, with 1.3 and 1.5 inches displays respectively. Next, its brighter displays. The Galaxy Watch 6's circular display is not only bigger, but also brighter. It has a claimed peak brightness of 2000 nits, ensuring you can see the display content even under direct harsh sunlight. Plus, the always-on display on the wearable is also smart enough to adjust brightness depending on the ambient light. Next, longer battery life. Despite the bigger and brighter displays, the Galaxy Watch 6 series lasts longer than its predecessor. This is all thanks to Samsung fitting bigger batteries inside the smartwatch. While the 40mm Galaxy Watch 6 packs a 300 mAh battery, while the 44mm model has a 425 mAh cell. In comparison, the Watch 5's 40mm and 44mm versions ship with 284 and 410 mAh batteries respectively. While the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic has a bigger chassis, it features the same 300 and 425 cells as the regular model. Samsung claims the Watch 6 can last up to 40 hours on a charge with always-on display turned off. And when in a hurry, 8 minutes of charging will be enough to provide an additional 8 hours of runtime. Next, faster processor and internals. Samsung's Exynos W930 chip powers the Galaxy Watch 6 lineup. This is a higher clock version of the Exynos W920 chip found inside the Watch 4 and 5 series. While the Watch 5's processor runs at 1.18, the Watch 6 Exynos chip is clocked at 1.4 GHz. Coupled with 2 GB RAM versus 1.5 GB on the previous models, the Watch 6 should deliver smoother performance. At last, its irregular heart rhythm notifications. Samsung's Wear OS smartwatches offer blood pressure and ECG monitoring. With the Galaxy Watch 6 series, the company has introduced irregular heart rhythm notification. This enables the watch to check your heart rhythms for atrial fibrillation even when sleeping, making it one of the best smartwatches for tracking sleep. The feature is only available in selected markets where Samsung has received the necessary approval. Since sideloading apps on the Galaxy Watch is possible, you can try installing a patch version of Samsung Health to get irregular heart rhythm notifications in an unsupported market. Nonetheless, irregular heart rhythm notifications is still a handy feature that can potentially save the wearer's life. This is because they'll no longer need to do a manual ECG scan to detect signs of AFib while wearing the Galaxy Watch 6. The Galaxy Watch 6 and Watch 6 Classic are Samsung's best smartwatches yet. They pack the right upgrades over the previous models, with the new health features making for an ideal accessory to have on your wrist. Do note that Samsung smartwatches work best with Galaxy phones, as you may lose access to some features on non-Samsung devices. But if you own a recent Galaxy phone and need a smartwatch, look no further than the Galaxy Watch 6 series. So, what are your thoughts on Galaxy Watch 6 lineup? Share your valuable thoughts below in the comments section. And if you guys enjoyed the video, then a sub to the channel will be massive, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you for the